Hi folks, Chris Voss here from the ChrisVossShow.com, coming here with another great product. This is pretty darn amazing. It's from teamazura.com. It's the Asura Genesis Xtreme. Now this is an incredible sort of thing that you would use as a drive, if you will, and it's better than, say, SSD. It's the new sort of memory, the NVMe memory. This has got a protocol of NVMe 1.3, or you can use it for your PCI. You can mount it to a PCIe 3.1 unit and take and put it into your board, so you can do that as well. And pretty darn cool. It comes in a variety of different sizes when it comes to capacity: 256 gigabytes, 512 gigabytes, 1 TB, and 2 TB, with a form factor of M.22280. The speed on it is freaking fast. Oh my gosh. Sequential read speed is up to 3,500 megabytes per second. Sequential write speed is 3,000 megabytes per second. Man, if you want to have some super speed chip for your freaking gaming, this is it. It rocks. It'll interface with PCIe Gen 3.0 times 4 or NVMe 1.3. Up to 1665 TBW. This thing is just freaking awesome, and it does a great job. And what's cool too, it has colors that light up on the board, and you can use them. It's RGB LED lighting with your desktop, so you can, if you got a see-through case, you can also enjoy the light display that it puts on with multiple colors that are kind of crazy in it. It's supposed to have an MTBF of 1.8 million hours, work on your Windows operating systems, and they also take and warranty it for 7 years. 7 years. How about that? It's got firewire updates in it, end-to-end data path protection, state and dynamic wear leveling, bad block management, thermal throttling, smart refresh, ECC, smart support, trim support, UART, GPID, drive log, over provision, advanced wear leveling, all the different things you might expect from, just getting a really good speedy, it's basically like a better form of an SSD. And it's really great. It just installs right into your computer if you have the newer boards. If you don't, you can get a PCI mount extension. I just got a cheap one off of Amazon. Plug that baby in, put it in the board, and away I go. I'm just really impressed with the product, and it does a great job. They sent us a TB to take and review, and I put all my games on it that I use for Windows gaming, and really heavy stuff, and it rocked. It sped right through them. We were blown away by the numbers of speed that it gave us, and highly recommend it. So be sure to check it out. Go to teamazura.com. Check out the new products they have there, the Asura Genesis Xtreme. One of the other things that was really cool about it is it comes as a unit to where you can just plug it in if you want, and it has its own heat sink, cover, and everything else on it. Or you can unscrew it, take it apart if you don't have room to slide it into the port and everything else. So you can either have it as a standalone where it looks good and kind of has its own sort of case, if you will, or you can take and strip the case off and put it into your computer. Anyway, thanks for tuning in. We'll see you next time.